this video we have 1 plus cosine 2 theta over sine 2 theta equal to cotan theta. So let's start from the left hand side, because we always need to start from the more complicated side. So I'm gonna keep one here for now. Cosine 2 theta, you remember we had it in double angle identities. Cosine 2 theta will be equal to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. That's what we had. Okay, I have proved that already for you in other videos. So I'm gonna write cosine squared minus sine squared theta divided by, here we have sine 2 theta, that's again a double angle identity, so sine 2 theta equals to 2 times sine theta times cosine theta. So I will write it here. It's going to be 2 times sine theta times cosine. So sine. So basically I expanded 1, and instead of 1 I wrote sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, and then the rest of it is here, divided by 2 sine theta times cosine theta. I didn't change anything here. So as you see here, we have sine squared theta and negative sine squared theta. We cancel these two because they can cancel out. The other one is going to be just addition here, 2 cosine squared theta divided by 2 sine theta cosine theta. These 2 and 2 cancel out, and we have cosine squared sine theta cosine theta. So the squared one is going to cancel with the cosine, so we will have cosine theta divided by sine theta, and we will see that cosine over sine is the definition of cotan theta. So that's how it's proven.